Hi, this is Christine. Welcome to Scrappin' Rabbit. I'm doing a video on this journal that I made, and it's based on my tutorial for the journal with the 7 removable interactive pages. I'll include a link to my tutorial that's in my Etsy shop if anybody wants to try their hand at making one of these. But this is my finished journal that I made. It's covered in fabric, and I have a button and elastic closure, and I have some trim along the edge and a little bit of lace. So I'm going to open this up, and on the inside I have a plastic sleeve, and this pulls out, and there's a tag that reads, "I am a beautiful, ambitious, tough woman." And you can journal in there, add some photos. And the first insert says, "Go for it," and you can slide something behind there in the cover. And this opens like that, and I've got some tags in the pocket on the back, and there's some pages in the middle, and I included a little calendar for 2018 in here. You can always replace that with another calendar. And I've got some more tags on the inside here. And you can always journal on the back of this one and put some photos on both sides here. Now these are removable. I have elastics in the journal that keep the inserts in place, so you can always pull these out and replace them with something else if you want, or add some more pages just by sliding them underneath the elastic. The next insert, I have another tag and some more lined paper. I have some parchment paper in this one, and also some drawing or sketch paper. So it's thicker than regular writing papers. I really like the parchment paper. And then on the back there's another pocket and some more tags. You are capable of amazing things, and love never fails. Gorgeous paper. It has a lot of shimmer to it. You can also put some photos there if you like. This one is an envelope, so you can open that and tuck some mementos in there. And I do have a tag, "All you need is to love and to be loved," and you can journal on the back or put photos, and that tucks in there. So you could put some more photos in the envelope, and you can also attach a picture on the back. And here's some more paper that you can journal on. And another envelope. This one is vertical. And I tucked in a little pamphlet style fold in here. "May good things grow." And you can put pictures and journal on there if you like. And you can also tuck some other memorabilia in there. And this one has a little magnet closure. And it has a little tag here. It's a little postcard. And this was made with my Vintage Ladies printables. So there's one here, and there's also one in the back. And then inside I have a waterfall. So you can put some photos on there. So this is a very interactive journal album. You can put another photo there, and then there's pages for journaling in the middle. And then there's another waterfall on this side. So there's lots of room for journaling and photos and memorabilia. It's a combination journal album. And on the back I have the sleeve, and this is a little notepad that I made, and there's another little pull out. It says be kind, save your life, and you can journal and put pictures in there as well. So that's my journal. I hope you like it. Have a nice day and happy crafting. Bye.